how to add conditional formatting to checkboxes in Google Sheets. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically highlight tasks when a checkbox is checked. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your Google Sheet that already has checkboxes. Now, select the range of cells you want to format, usually your task column or the full table. Go to the top menu and click on Format, then choose Conditional Formatting. A panel will appear on the right. Under Format Cells If, select Custom Formula Is. Now enter this formula: $sign, $sign, C1. Make sure to adjust C1 based on where your checkbox column starts. This formula means the formatting will apply when the checkbox is checked. Now choose a formatting style, like changing the background color or adding strike-through text. Once done, click Done. And that's it. Now whenever you check a box, your task will automatically update visually.